Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply green screen in CapCut mobile. So here I've already opened my CapCut and then I've already added a video to my editor page on CapCut. Just wait a minute, I'm going to zoom out. Okay, I'm going to delete the ending part first. Okay, so here I'm going to add a green screen overlay into it. So what you need to do is just click on the overlay, oops, and then click on add overlay to apply the green screen. And here I'm going to choose this green screen overlay. Click on add. Okay, so I'm going to trim the video to fit into the overlay. Will go like this, and I'm going to adjust the green screen so it fits into the video. And next you just need to click on the overlay in here and then click on remove background and choose chroma key, and here click on the color picker and choose the colors that you want to remove. In this case I'm going to remove the green one, and then click on the intensity and just swipe it to the right like this to remove the green screen. You can also adjust the shadow. Okay, I'm going to just set it on 24 and then click on the check icon, and the result will be like this. You can also drag the overlay. I will put it at the top right of the video like this. Okay, so that is how you can apply green screen in CapCut mobile. So if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button, donate, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.